What's something people don't know about creating faceless content? Like this video if you want to find out. It's all about AI, folks. Picture this. You're creating killer content without ever stepping in front of the camera. How? Meet your new best friend, AI. First up, AI can generate eye-catching visuals. Need a stunning backdrop or custom graphics? AI's got you covered. Next, let's talk editing. AI tools can cut, trim, and even suggest the best clips for your videos. Imagine saving hours on editing and focusing more on creativity. Oh, and captions. Automatic and accurate. No need to type them out manually anymore. But wait, there's more. AI can also help with voiceovers. Just type your script, choose a voice, and boom, instant narration. Perfect for keeping your content fresh and engaging. And the best part? These AI tools are super user-friendly, even if you're not tech-savvy. So whether you're camera-shy or just looking to save time, AI is your go-to for faceless content creation. Ready to level up your content game? Give AI a go and watch your creativity soar. Follow for more tips.